Have you ever heard someone say, is it possible that those that are surrounding us are playing a huge role in the success of building our healthy habits? Maybe. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jaime. This channel is all about us ladies rediscovering our spark and finding our inner badass. This is about us real ladies taking a look at our real life and seeing how we can build some healthy habits that stick. No crazy diets, no crazy workouts, no crazy lifestyle changes. It's just real life. If you're like, girl, this is the channel for me, go click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and give me any comments about what you like about the video, or if you're like, oh, no, this was terrible, or any topics that you would like to hear further. We are all about building a community of like-minded women, so share. If you think that any of your friends or family members would find value in this video, please share. Sharing is caring. Now on to the program. This is our 6th episode in the Building Healthy Habits series. If you've not seen the other ones, what? I put some links below. You can go check them out. Remember, we're on 6. You got 5. You gotta go catch up. Today's topic is all about protecting your circle. I have come to the conclusion that our success in life, more often than not, comes down to the people that we choose to spend the most time with. So here's some questions. How smart are you? How talented are you? Where were you born? Some of these questions will play a role in how successful you are in life. But in comparison to the impact of surrounding yourself with people who can lift you up, there's no comparison. Our habits determine who the person is that we're going to become. You want to be happy? Surround yourself with happy people. You want to be healthy? Go find those healthy people and put them all around you. So let's take just a few minutes to think about that core group of people that you surround yourself with. Do they lift you up? Do they motivate you? Or do they drain you? Are they what I call soul suckers? The really cool thing about being around positive-minded people is that it is so infectious. Before you even know it, they have had an impact on your thinking and how you react. And the biggest part is the support that they give you on your journey. You gotta find these people and maximize on it. Are you like, okay, how do I find these happy people? Odds are you probably already have many of them surrounding you right now. The really amazing thing about the time that we live in is that social media is ginormous. And you have the ability to go find these people that you're trying to surround in your circle just through that method. Go take a look at your Facebook thread or your Instagram thread. Go on, go look. Does this make you feel good? Or are you like, oh my goodness, I'm so stressed out? What if we intentionally follow those people that lift us up? We need to leave and leave that negativity out the door. So here are a few tips to help you find those happy people. Go find an event in your city that appeals to you. If you're excited about the topic and you go to an event that's about that topic, odds are you're gonna find some other like-minded people that are like, yep, we need to be friends. Sharing your joy is super easy because they're also sharing their joy. Actively seek out those who have the qualities that you want to get into your life. You know that one friend or that one person who is always smiling and you're like, why is she always smiling? But if you want to add happiness and joy into your life, that might be the person just for you. Okay, here's a tough one. This one can be hard. But you gotta shorten your time that you spend around those Debbie Downers or the Eeyores. These are the people I'm talking about that are sabotaging you into being able to build your healthy habit. This one's really hard to adjust, but this one can be a complete game changer. Now, I'm not saying completely carve them out of your life because quite frankly, it might be a family member, but it may be about intentionally decreasing the amount of time that you spend with that person and increasing the amount of time with your positive-minded person. Read more, listen more. So one of my new things, I have found podcasts. You're probably like, girl, podcasts have been around for years, but wow, podcasts are the way to go. I found several channels and I just turn them on in the car. So instead of listening to the radio, I look forward to going and listening to my favorite podcast where I can hear some uplifting messages, right? Very inspirational. It gets the chemical, gets those creative juices going. Find something that you're passionate about. Go find that podcast and start listening. There are so many options. The key to it though is finding one that just pours out positivity. One more, guys. If you're a reader, go subscribe to some newsletters. You can get some inspirational newsletters straight to your email box. And so in the middle of the day, it might break up the monotony of reading work emails or school emails, where you get this positivity put in there that says, hey girl, you're doing awesome today. So about a year ago, I very intentionally made a choice to bring happiness into my life. I naturally am a Debbie Downer. I know, you're surprised. But I tend to focus, I did tend to focus on the negative. And it makes everything just like, so I intentionally made a decision that I was gonna focus on the positive and find my happiness. Now, this does not mean that every day is butterflies and unicorns. But a simple shift in my mindset now has me asking questions like, what did I learn from that? Or how can I make this better? Versus getting stuck into that negative energy that was just like a vicious cycle, just kept going. So now it's time to look at your starting point. Is it time to make some changes to your inner circle, the people that you spend the most time with? Go find that person who smiles, like all the time. Start there. Let their happiness creep into your life. Okay guys, so this is gonna wrap up our 6th episode in Building Healthy Habits. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to the channel, go hit that subscribe button. Watch for our next episode. This is gonna be our last one in our Building Healthy Habits series, and it is the best topic out of all of them. It comes out next Thursday. If you have a friend or a family member that you're like, this is spot on and they need these, please share. Remember, sharing is caring. Oh, I almost forgot. Did you know that we now have a monthly subscription? What? The Building Badass community now has an exclusive Facebook group that you can go to get multiple things. One of the things that you can get is being able to work out from home at any time and any place. You get some cardio routines, strength routines, and if you're like, girl, I like this cardio, but it moves too fast, here's the deal. You also get a tutorial or a breakdown of the routines, so you can take those moves to your next dance party. The last thing, guys, and this is the coolest part, you also get access to some super easy, no frills, don't have to Google the ingredients types of recipes. And this is coming from the non-cooker. So these are family tested, kid tested, mom who doesn't cook tested, super easy that you can bring in to develop those, building some healthy habits around what you're eating every day. If you are like, yes, I put the link below where you can get some additional information and also where you can sign up. Don't wait too long. We've got founding member pricing right now, which is heavily discounted. Now is the time to get in, guys. All right, guys, see you next Thursday.